Today we're going to play Animal Hospital. So
Wait, look at this.
there's
Look at this.
what?
Look at me.
Ooh,
Okay, let's go.
you're spinning. How did you do that?
Okay.
Click start now.
We're at the hospital
Until you find what's really wrong, what's really happening. I thought it was like what's really wrong, what's really happening.
This is taking forever.
Yeah. Oh, never mind. It's the wait. How are you the head nurse?
Because I am a head nurse.
How did you become the head nurse?
I saved up some money.
Ooh, wow. Oh,
Okay, I'll be in charge of the rooms. And you'll be in charge
yeah.
of the counter.
Because you're the nurse.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just because I look ugly.
No, you don't.
I look ugly.
You can do no, though. No, you don't.
Oh, that looks so.
You're not even doing your job. Do your job.
Okay, fine, boss.
The doctor won't pay you if you don't do your job.
Oh, just the same how it looks. Does this look okay to you? Does this look okay to you?
That's fine.
Okay. Hurry up!
I'm gonna go to room 1. Oh, we need.
First, let's save all the patients for something later. Like never mind. You just eye drops.
Get some maple syrup.
Are you going to feed them coffee? Does this guy look okay?
He's fine.
This guy,
Yeah, he's fine.
he
He's fine.
doesn't look okay to me.
This is a normal guy.
But he has a sharp thing on
That's
his
just a normal
head.
guy. He has a
Yeah.
horn.
Yeah.
You
He
know what a
looks
horn looks like?
nothing.
If it's nothing, then why is it called a horn?
Okay, you look good, buddy. You're like wait, what's your name again? What's your name again?
Right there.
Huh?
Your name's there. Philip.
Oh, it's Mr. Philip.
Paabot nga lang chapter. Yung ano lang, dulo lang. Asan yung dulo?
Remember, if there's something that says treat remaining patients,
I know.
and
I played this game before.
and there's still something that says treat remaining patients 1,
Yeah,
even though
I played these games before. I played this game
You're
before.
you're just like 4, 5, 6. Wait, is it 4, 5, 6?
Yeah.
Or 6, 5, 4?
4, 5, 6.
Okay. I just want to go home. Okay, go home. Go home. Oh, the
There's no more patients.
Oh, never mind. Welcome. Do I look good? Do I look great? If I don't look great, I really
you look
need my
pink.
makeup.
You look pink.
Oh.
What are you doing, bro? Stop it.
Okay, let's take turns to wait. Let's take turns to take care of the patients.
I'm the head nurse. That's my job.
Why? Does this guy look okay?
I don't know. Check the cameras.
Okay. I hope he doesn't
Yeah, he's normal at the cameras. How do I exit?
Wait, what's this stamp thing for?
Oh, wait, how do I exit, bro?
Exit what? Exit game?
No, how do I exit this?
Just
Yeah,
Just-
okay, I know. I know.
yeah. Oh, inspect. Okay, you look great. You look great. Okay, what's your name? Let's see. Oh, you're Mokoto? You're Mokoto Cloud? I don't know. Oh, Mokoto Clouds. Oh, okay, yay.
Room 3.
Okay, room 3.
Ay, grade 6 ka rin, di ba? Masagot ako nga to siya kung tama ba itong mga ginagawa ko.
I think I saw
No,
the
I only know
stalker. This guy's twitching. Does he look okay?
I don't think
He's
so.
twitching.
Check
He's
the
twitchy.
cameras. Okay, close the
Okay.
close the doors on him.
Oh, why does he look black? He looks black
Close
to
the
me.
cameras on him.
Shut.
Oh, it's because he has bad posture.
What's bad posture?
When a normal person has a spine like this, but if they're like this, oh wait, no, if a normal animal has this body, it's normal, but if they have this, it's bad.
Like this?
Yeah.
There's some things like this.
Yeah.
Cause they're black kasi eh.
Yeah.
Ay!
Move back.
You look great. You look great, my bestie.
No, step back. No.
Oh, you're twitching. You're twitching. Let's see. Let's check the cameras. Let's check the cameras. Let's check the cameras.
Wait,
Let's
how do
see.
No.
Take photo.
Wait, I need some help. There's so much of them.
Oh, there's static. It's
Oh, when it's
staticky.
static, it's bad.
Okay, let's also see the cameras. Oh, they're also black. They're black. They black.
Can you check their posture? Go outside. Go outside.
Their posture?
Yeah.
What posture?
See, they're slanted. Their back
like
is slanted.
this?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, like a C?
Yeah.
Like they're having a bad day? I thought they need coffee.
No.
Shut.
No. Oh.
Oh, Barney's here. Barney's here.
No, don't give him coffee.
Why?
He's gonna hide out. Oh wait. You wanna try giving him coffee? Let's give him
Wait,
coffee.
let's do 3. I heard there's a 3 thing. When you take 3 sips and you give him coffee, yeah. Like that.
Okay, I'll do it. I have coffee with me. 2.
3.
It's already done. Okay, use your coffee. Only get 2 sips,
2.
okay? Okay, give it to him. This takes a
Yes.
little sense. Thanks, friend. I needed that. I will remember this.
Okay, you do the voice acting to the anomalies. They're like deep voice, but normal patients like
Yeah.
different
yeah, yeah,
like voices.
How am I supposed to know? I'm literally the head nurse. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to voice act. I don't know what to say.
And why
There's a
did
patient. There's
Okay,
a
here's-
patient. Okay, he's normal and cams.
yeah, he's straightened up.
Okay, so he's good.
It's like this.
Yeah, I know. It's good.
Okay, you do that while I take care of the patients. Oh, never
my
mind. Wala. No.
Okay, now there's a patient.
Wait, we're in shift 2, but how is it still closed?
What's closed?
This thing,
Yeah, because in the next shift, it's because it's
the third shift.
no. It's
Oh,
because
andito si Ratyu!
yes, rat.
Yay, Ratyu! I found your sister. I found Ratina. Oh, why did he
Where did he went?
I thought his head was twitching because he was looking at me like this, and like this, like
Okay.
that. It's a dangerous job.
Okay, check the cat. Hey, there's a patient, you know.
Okay, he looks.
There's a patient. Arya, you said you're gonna take care of the patient. Oh my god, you're not even doing your job wrong.
Ratya looks funny in the I don't know.
Oh my gosh, Arya, you said you were gonna take care of the patients. You're not even taking care of the patients.
Why is this guy not going to the register?
He's just an NPC, don't worry.
Oh, it's just decorations?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's
Thanks.
see. Is someone there? I feel like somebody's watching me actually.
Oh, Ivy dropped.
Ooh, two patients left. I hope there will be no more. I hope there will be no more. I hope there won't be a headbanger. Headbanger.
what?
I hope there won't be a headbanger.
What's that?
A headbanger that
Oh.
that
Just
bangs
give him
the
coffee.
head.
Just give
Who?
a hangbanger coffee.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is that a myth?
Yeah, you just give him coffee. I
Then
think
he
needs
will
coffee.
be. Then he'll just be
Yeah, he will just leave.
without losing sanity.
Yes.
Yay! Okay, yay! Ooh!
What do you need this time?
Is it okay you edit later?
I don't even know how to edit.
Oh, never mind. Ooh, new facilities. Ooh, supply shop. I heard there might be a small anomalies like that. Oh, I hope there's a
Filters check in faster. Extra check in window.
I hope there will be something like there will be a small anomaly.
How much
and
money do you have?
144.
Arya!
Okay.
Take care of the patients. I mean, check in the patients.
Check in.
Yeah.
Take care. Check in. Okay.
Did you even check the cams?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I can't see it. Okay, he's good.
School purchases 18 cents.
Okay, it's good too.
What is the total cost of science? Sandali naman ito.
Talk. Okay. Ooh, chocolate.
Oh, it's a headbanger. Just give him coffee.
Headbanger. I will. Oh, did you give him coffee?
No, I actually
The
ate
school
coffee.
purchases-
Oh, I cannot look up.
Look up? Where?
Nothing.
Where can't you look up?
Then.
Oh!
Then. Okay, he's good. Just go check in the patients, bro.
Oh, this guy
you brush
looks
your
so
teeth?
small. Oh! This guy looks small. He's short. He's shorter than the others.
Okay.
He's shorter than the others. He looks short. He looks like Ratu on his height.
Yeah, okay. Is there another patient? I do not want to do another patient. What?
I got jump scared by the egg.
Nico, we need to hurry up. We need coffee because it's gonna break the window.
What happens if we break the window?
We lose money.
Oh.
Plus, I need to get money so that we can get, Oh, he's looking at me. He's looking at me.
But for me, he's looking at me.
Human.
I actually got 31 sanity now. Oh, Barney's here. Barney's here. Okay, let's share some
Friend's gonna get
coffee.
another coffee.
1, 2, and give coffee. This tastes amazing. Thanks, friend. Barney has a suitcase that says "Don't open." There's a
Herbs, IV drops,
suitcase.
bandages.
Huh?
What? I need the
This.
herbs, IV drops, and bandages.
I'm going to accept his suitcase. I'm going to accept Barney's suitcase. Is that okay?
Yeah. You are the best. If you get killed, it's your fault.
You would blame everything on me?
Yeah, because you're the check-in manager. You check in.
If you die immediately,
Patient of fire, patient of fire, patient of fire. I
patient
got
of fire,
I got it.
patient of fire, patient of fire, patient of fire, patient of fire, patient of fire. Oh,
Oh,
he's like this. He's a C. Why don't we get the taser? When are we getting the taser?
no, it's Ron.
Oh, it's okay. Why does he have a top secret? A top secret.
Top secret what?
A top secret bag.
Yeah, I don't know.
The people like run from accounting, Dr. Harlow, Barney. You deal with them while I deal with the normal patients. Is that okay?
I did not understand a single thing. I did not understand a single thing you said.
Like, is it okay you're going to register Dr. Harlow?
No,
You're going to
because
register?
I'm the head nurse.
Fine.
Why do I check in people when I'm literally the nurse?
Never mind.
But what does a nurse do?
Can I take care of the patients that... Oh, this guy... this guy doesn't look so happy. This guy doesn't... Even though he's smiling, he doesn't look so happy, you know.
Hang on, what a slow poke, bro.
Oh! I got jump scared.
Just keep the door shut.
Okay. Okay.
I got
Sure. You look okay, my
Eye drops and
bestie?
maple syrup.
Huh?
I said I need eye drops and maple syrup.
Okay, sure. When are we going to open the don't open from Barney?
So, I don't know.
I hope we can open it.
Look at the cams, look at the cams. Don't forget to look at the cams.
Okay, look okay, my bestie.
Oh yeah, you have to drink coffee.
Drink coffee? You need coffee?
No, you.
But you want coffee?
No, I have 72 sanity. You have 30. You have 41. Room 7?
No. I think Barney will be here. Oh, you look okay. Why
Check
does
the
bro have?
cams.
Why does bro have Ratu's tail? Did he steal Ratu's tail?
Okay, it's good.
Did you look in my
Yeah, it's right next to each other, bro.
I hope there will. Oh,
Hello.
there's a slime in here. There is slime in here. How was there slime?
Oh my god, this is so hard, bro. Oh my gosh. Yes, finally. Oh yeah.
When can you take care of everything? When can you take care of the When can you take care of the register? And I take care of the once I get the head nurse.
Gosh, Arya, could you please help me in room 8?
Okay, coming. Hurry up, hurry up.
Okay, Arya, you stay on this side, okay, and I'll
Okay.
go on this 2 sides, okay? Already get the stuff you need, okay?
I'm at the Antonobics.
Okay, you can get
You're
the
the Ivy drops.
No, I can't hold anymore. Did you get the stuff?
Oh.
Okay, wait. Don't start yet, don't start yet.
Okay.
Get the medicine, get the heart.
Yeah,
Wait,
I
no,
already
no.
have 3 stuff.
Okay, throw it. Oh no, you don't need these. Okay, get the med.
Wait, what
okay.
about the...
No, we need that. Actually, no, I already have the medicine. Just be fast, huh?
Okay.
Because if we kill this guy, we lose money. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Scalpel?
IV drops, Arya. Get the IV drops. Get the IV drops, it's right behind you. Hurry up. IV drops, not the scissors. He's gonna die. Organ, Arya, get the organ.
Already got the organ.
Bandage.
Bandage.
I got the bandage. I got the bandage. Scissors. I got the scissors. 4. Transplant. I got the transplant. I get stuff already. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got this. I'll get the scalpel. I got the scalpel. Just scissors. Scissors. Yan. Okay. Okay. Let's go. 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 Go.
Run, 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 run. Okay.
That's why we need like a lot of people when we're gonna play this game. So basically.
Okay, next time we do public server when we do part 2. Why?
Because they're gonna disturb the game.
What about with friends?
Yeah, sure.
With your
Yeah,
friends?
sure. Ooh, teaser.
Finally. And patience period 5. Yay, 0. We got good. You. What was that sound? Oh, Ratu's here again. Ratu's here again.
Ano gagawin pag mainit yung keyboard?
Mainit?
Yeah.
How?
Hawak mo.
So,
You need fan.
my advice, don't trust
Ito
anyone
kasi yung
here.
fan sa baba. Ah, ang init sa baba.
Okay.
You cannot,
Uh,
you need to hiram irons. Yung hawakan mo dito sa pet. Ito kasi yung fan.
Aray ko.
Mainit, di ba?
it's boring? Why?
Ang init, grabe.
Why?
Siyempre, 2,000 registered.
Guys, I think this is the end of the video now.
But in
Bye.
celebration, I'm gonna taste this person.
Yeah.
One of your discs is at risk smart event. Please open Intel of time memory.
Ha?
May nakita ako dito.
Ano sabi? Ano sabi?
Bye,
Di ko na
guys.
Hindi, yung sinabi mo ulit. Ulitin mo lang.
Di ko nga maalala.
At part 2,
Yung naalala
we're
ko lang dun na sabi,
Mainit na?
memory.
at part 2,
Pero
there will be
bagal.
more people. Bye.